Do you want to create a mug in Blender? Well, you are in the right place. Welcome to ModelCraftedHub, and let's create a mug in Blender. First, delete everything in your scene and add a cylinder. Go into Edit mode and select the face from the top. Press I to insert them. Go into wireframe mode and extrude the face downward. Select the two faces from the bottom to scale them a bit. Now use the loop cut tool to make the handles. Make 4 loop cuts in sets of 2. Select the front 2 faces for the starting of the handles. Extrude them. Now select the 2 edges from the inset of the 2 faces and move them inside to make a slope-like structure. Select the 2 faces, press Ctrl E and click on Bridge Edge Loops. In the bottom left corner, change the number of cuts to 5. Press Alt on your keyboard and click the edge on the front of the handle. Bring that in. Go into Object mode and add the Subdivision modifier from the Modifiers tab. Go into Edit mode, select each face from the inside bottom of the cup and press I to insert them. Do the same from the outer bottom of the cup. Now press Alt and select the top faces to insert them too. Now let's add materials to the cup. Go to Object mode and go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons and search Node Wrangler. Click on the box next to Node Wrangler. Then go to the Shading tab and click New. Click on the Principled BSDF modifier and press Ctrl T. Select the textures for your mug. Now let's add some lightings. First, move the cup on top of the ground and add a plane. Scale the plane to make it big. Go into Edit mode and extrude the edge behind the mug. Add the Bevel modifier from the Modifiers tab to make the plane smooth. Now let's add the lights. First, go into the Render tab and change from EV to Cycles. Then add the Area Light object to the scene. Bring the light above the mug. Increase the brightness. Now duplicate that light and move it in front of the mug. Scale it and rotate it towards the mug. Now let's render this. Add a camera. Select the camera, right-click on it, and select Set Active Camera. Open the sidebar panel and enable Camera to View. Now move your camera to where your mug can be seen properly. Now click on Render Image in the top left of the screen. Now wait for Blender to render. Well, this is how it should look like. Thanks for watching my video. Here is a random video. Please subscribe so you can see more of my videos. This will help me a lot. Thanks for watching.